Hi, a very good morning to you all. So today we'll be continuing with the chapter place value, and the topics are even and odd numbers, rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, Roman numerals. Worksheet page number 23 and 24 will be covered in this video number 5. Even and odd numbers. Here the question is, encircle the even number. 10 numbers are given. You have to find out which is even and here which is odd number. So you have even and odd numbers. What is meant by even number and odd number? Even numbers are numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers are numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers are numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So let's see which are even numbers and which are odd numbers. Here, encircle the even number. You have to look on to the last digit number. 5, is it even or odd? It's odd number, so you need not circle it. 8, it's even number, circle it. 6, it's even number, circle it. 1, it's odd. 8, it's even number, circle. 0, it's even, circle it. 2, it's even, circle it. 3, it's odd number. 9, it's odd number, and 0, it's even number. So even numbers are 3,218, 3,476, 1,028, 8,880, 1,152, and 1,000 are even numbers. Now the next question is that encircle the odd numbers. Look on to the last digit. 6, it's even or odd? It's even number. 9, it's odd number, circle. 1, it's odd number, circle it. 7, it's odd number, circle it. 3, it's odd number, circle it. 3, it's odd number, circle it. 4, it's even number. 5, it's odd number, circle it. 7, it's odd number, circle it. And 9, it's odd number, circle it. This is how we find out whether that number is odd number or even number. You just have to look on to the last digit to find out whether it's even or odd number. So odd numbers are 8,979, 6,211, 8,417, 9,123, 3,453, 7,125, 4,827, 8,809 are odd numbers. Now the new topic is that rounding of the numbers. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10. Rule is that we have 2 rules. The first rule is that if the last digit of the number is 5 or above that, the number rounds up to the next 10. If the last digit of the number is 5 or above, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then the number rounds up to the next 10. If the last digit is less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. The number rounds down to the nearest, to the same 10. So let's see, the weakest numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we have the last digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will down to same 10. If the last digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it's strong. It will go up to the next 10. Okay. Let's see with an example. I'm going to take 2 numbers. That is, you're going to find with tens multiplication, that we have 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, like that it goes on. So I am just taking two numbers. I am taking 40 and 50. So let's write in between numbers 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So numbers, I am taking the in between number of 40 and 50. So let's see, 41 is in between 40 and 50. 42 is in between 40 and 50. 43 is in between 40 and 50. 44 is in between 40 and 50. 45 is in between 40 and 50. Like that it goes on. So this is tens and that is also tens. This is tens to the down to the nearest 10 and this is to the next 10. So let's see, look on to the last digit number 1. How do you write? 2 down to the same 10. Okay, down to the same 10. 42, look for the last digit 2 down to the same 10, 40 itself. 43, last digit is 3, 43 down to the nearest 10, 40. 44 also down to the nearest 10, 40. Now just see which one is near to 41, 40 or 50. 40 is nearest. So just we write 41 is rounded off to 40. 42 is rounded off to 40. 43 is rounded off to 40. 44 is rounded off to 40. Is it clear? 45, that is last digit number is 5, which is strong enough. So it will move to the next 10, 50. 45, 46 also move to the next 10, 50. 47 also move to the next 10, 50. 48 also move to the next 10, 50. 49 also move to the next 10, 50. Now got it? Let's do with a 3-digit number 680, 681, 682, 683, 684, 685, 686, 687, 688, 689 and 690 we have. The last digit is 1. 681, the last digit is 1, which is weak. So we will round down to the same 10, that is 680 itself. 682, the last number is 2, which is weak enough. So we will round down to the same number 680. 683, the last number is 3, which is the weakest number. So it will round down to the same 10. 84, the last digit is 4, which means rounds down to the same 10. Now we have 685, the last digit is 5, which is strong enough. So we move to the next 10, 690. 686, last digit is 6, so we will move to the next 10, that is 690. 687, last digit is 7, which is strong enough, so we will move towards next 10, 690. 688, 8 is strong enough, so we move to the next 10, 690. And 689, 9 is strong enough, so we will move on to the next number 690. Or else you can just see which is nearest to it. 681, 680 or 690 is nearest 680. So it will go to the same. 682, which is the nearest 680 or 690. 680 is nearest. So you will write like that. Okay. Now let's see some questions. Rounding of the number to the nearest 10. 27 is between in which tens? 20 and 30. So we have in between 20 and 30, right? 27 is in between 20 and 30. Look for the last digit 7. It's strong number, so we'll move up to the next 10. So which one, 30 or 20? 30. So 27 rounding off to the nearest 10 is 30. 32. 32 is in between which tens? 30 and 40. Yes? 32. Last number is 2, which is weak enough. So we'll move towards 40 or 30. 30. 45. Last digit is 5, which is strong enough. So 45 is in between 40 and 50, which is you will move towards to the next 10, that is 50. 359. 359. 59, the last two digits we are taking. 359 is in between 350 and 360. 359 is in between 350 and 360. So which is the nearest? 9 is strong enough. So we'll move up to the next 10, that is 360. 473. 3 is weak enough. So we'll move down to the same 10. 473 is in between 470 and 480. So 470, which is your nearest to 470, which is nearest to 473. So got it? Now next we have Roman numerals. Where all you have seen Roman numerals written? You have seen in front of your class, then in clock, then sometimes in your textbooks, sections wise it will be given like that. So you have seen, noticed Roman numerals written over there. So now we have Hindu-Arabic numerals and Roman numerals. In Hindu-Arabic numerals we have a regular number, normal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Now let's see, you have to by heart this. Just know the technique how to write and you can do it your own. Okay, so right now you have to learn this till 10 you have to learn, then you have to learn the basic ideas of 50, how to write 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Okay. 1 you will write just 1 I. 2 you will write Y-I. 3 I. 4 I-V. 5 V. 6 V-I. 7 V-I-I. 8 V-I-I-I. 9 I-X. 10 X. 50 you will say L. 100 you will say C. 5 you will say D. And 1000 you will say M. You can learn this by heart like L, C, D, M. Okay. 50, 100, 500, 1000, L, C, D, M, which are the basic principles of Roman numerals. So just by heart this, and you have a question in your worksheet. Match the following. Try to do it yourself. Just match it. There is no enough space in that worksheet, so just try to match up with a scale. Don't put here and there. So that's all for the class today, and we have finished the chapter. So thank you. Have a nice day.